today we are gonna see how we can earn money online. If you are a student, you may want to earn money online, so you may invest your free time in activity. So first, we are today gonna talk about website called Timebucks. I'm going to open the website. Here it is. You can do endless, there are endless opportunities on this website. Like now see, there is a daily goal checklist. You can do complete a slideshow, complete 3 push clicks, and the list goes on. And if you complete all the 6 tasks, you get a 0.10 bonus and 10,000 sweepstakes entries for free. The sweepstakes entries are like a lottery. It is drawn once a week, and the winner gets how much we can see here. We would see how much the winner gets. I think it's $50. No, it's $250. So the winner would get $250, the second position $50, and so on. Now, and we can do surveys here. The availability of service depends upon your location, such as if I am in Pakistan, there are not so many opportunities in Pakistan, but if you are in some other developed countries, you may earn more than in Pakistan. Like now see here, this one in Brazil just completed a survey and got $0.36, while in Pakistan there is no completion in Pakistan, so no surveys in Pakistan. See, I may start a survey here. It is asking for verification. I would verify it. Crosswalks. There we go. No. Okay. So it would now try to capture some surveys for me. The availability of service depends upon your location as well as your information. I have already registered on this website, so I am not getting any registration info. But if you are new to this website, you would get a form to fill in. That information would be used to suggest surveys for you. Now there are many survey providers. Every survey provider has his own requirements, and you may fit any requirement. There are length, how much the survey would take. There is rate, how much the survey would pay. There are some services like your surveys, revenue wall, Peanut Labs. They also pay for non-qualification. Like if you are disqualified, you were not a successful match, you would still get you will still get paid. Like this man in India, he got $0.1 just for screening out. He was screened out, disqualified, but still got $0.1. How cool is that? Now you can see this pure inspiration. This is for inspiration. The recent survey completions by others. This is just to boost you up. And there is another tab called content tab. In this tab you can click. There are ads in here which we click and get money. There are no more ads available, as I have clicked all the ads today, and there is nothing now. There are also slideshows. You just press next, like I would show you here. It is taking time. So basically the slideshows, I would scroll down. There is a next button. I would press next. In several slides there would be a time limit of 10 seconds. Like see, this timer has started now. After 10 seconds I may continue to the next slide. There are mostly 10 or 11 slides, but you only need to go through to 7 to 8. If you complete 7 to 8 slides, you may get paid. There are very low payments for slideshows, so I would not recommend that you do slideshows. I'm gonna close it. It takes too much time. Now there are captchas. I also don't do captchas. There is very little payout. Like $0.003 for every 15 captchas. That's a lot time. You won't get a lot money from this. There is Nightfall News, another I would say useless task. There is no successful payments here. Engage. This is the best task on Timebucks. You would get 0.01 per video and zero point 0.1 for 10 videos. You don't need to focus. You just leave the laptop running when you are sleeping, and literally you are earning money for sleeping. See, I have already installed Engaged Hits. Engaged Hits gives you an extension. You need to download an extension here, and that extension would do everything for you. The extension would search videos on YouTube, the extension would play them, the extension would like the videos, the extension would subscribe. Everything would be done by extension. You just need to download the extension. Now on to the other tab. There is a push click tab. On push clicks, I have activated them. If you are new, you would have activate button, and you would get a notification like allow. I have allowed it, and then you would get notifications like there would be push notifications. You would click them and they would pay you. The payout varies from 0.001 to 0.02 per click. Like literally every click is paying you 0.02 per click. You don't need to spend any time. You just do whatever you are doing on your laptop. The push clicks would pop up, you would click them, and you would get paid. Now there is search tab. This is unlocked after you are eligible for a payout, which is $10. See, I have $11, and now I can search the web and just earn money for searching the web. And upload task, I never got an upload task here in Pakistan. I don't know about other countries. There are videos, you may click them and watch like 60 seconds, and you would get paid. There are tasks. My personal favorite is tasks. You would be given tasks by several companies, or whoever wants to promote their website, videos, apps, anything. You would get task and you can complete them. Like, see, complete two steps and get paid this. We would view this, and the requirements are that we have to sign up on the website, we have to confirm our email, we have to earn at least 1 cent. And he is saying that we can earn a cent by just completing the survey, a single survey, and you would be up to 101 cents, and then you can get paid by this task. I'm not gonna start it, of course. I would press back. I would show you how to do a task as a sample. Let's go down, and there is a upvote this comment. Just upvote. Just press a click and you would get $0.002 for nothing. Let's click view. See, we would have to go to this website, scroll down to comments, and just thumbs up the comment. We don't have to reply, we don't have to mention, we don't have to do anything. Just take a screenshot of the upvote to confirm that we have upvoted the comment. It's from Timebucks, and the approval rate is 100%. So you would certainly get paid for this task. So I'm gonna open this video now, and we would scroll down. We would scroll down, and we would upload. We would upload this. we would have to take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot and save it. You would have to install Lightshot, a software which would give you screenshots. Now I would close the video. I would browse for the image that I just took, and here we go, submit for approval. Now it normally takes just some minutes to get it approved, but some tasks which are not by Timebucks but by some third parties, they do take some time for to get approved. See, I have done many tasks which are waiting to be approved. I have done 24 tasks till the date. And signups, you just provide your email, sign up, confirm your email, and you would get paid by the websites. Like here is here is a website called Honeygain. We would get this money for this task, but I have seen this task. There is a requirement that we have to download a app. Now see, in signups we don't get the instructions right away. We have to start first, then we would go and get the instructions. But still, if you don't like the task, like I didn't do this task because I don't want to run this on my phone, so I would just cancel and nothing would be changed. Now there is TikTok. If you want, if you have a TikTok account and you have some followers, there is a threshold of 1000 followers and 4 posts you must have, then you can start this task, and it is also a very good task. Then there is Referral Lab, and when someone joins with your link, like my link is shown in here, you would earn 15% on all the earnings of your referral, but there will be no reduction in your referrals earning. It means these 15% would be just a bonus, nothing else. And there is a roll tab. Here you can roll. If you have you can just throw a dice and you would earn some money. It's totally random, and you can only roll when you have got at least two referrals that have earned at least 0.10. I have till date 4 referrals, no one earned 0.10, so I am not eligible. Now there are offer balls, another excellent method of earning money. Like you just like see, it's a game. You complete level 34 and you get 338 cents. That's quite a lot. Now in this case, you complete level 16 and you get 12 cents just for playing a game. Like you are normally playing games, if you play it through here, you would also get paid for playing games. You just need to install this app, like see, open and play and earn 3 cents. Nothing to do, just install. Of course, this would be done on Android device. And like there are others offer balls. Now AliExpress. This is a method if you do a lot of purchasing online, so you may want to uh, have a discount, you would get cashback. In links tab, you get paid for every click that is done on your custom link. Like if I find something, I find 10 game, I found a post on some websites, say Facebook, and the post is 10 games that you might want to play in 2020, and my friends are interested in gaming. I would recommend that you read this post. But if you send them the link right away, you won't get anything. But if you send the link through Timebucks, you just type the link in here and say generate link. It would generate a link, and you would provide the link to your friends, and you would get paid. See, here are the links. And now on every on every click on this link, I would get paid. Now, so if you are thinking that you can click on it yourself and you would earn nothing. So there are sweepstakes. It's a lottery, and I've described it before. There is Engage tab. In Engage tab, that's Engaged Hits extension that I have described. Now there is Premium tab. Very important. You can increase your earnings by 25%. That's a lot. Like if you earn $10, if you are premium, you would earn $12.25. If you earn $100 a month, now you would earn $125 a month. So by paying just $4.95 per week, you get a 25% bonus. So that's the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want to see more, press the subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notification when new videos are uploaded. And do tell me in comments what do you think about Timebucks, and if you have any problems, tell me in the comments, and I would make sure that every problem is solved. The link to this website is available in description, so you can just go to description down there and sign up to Timebucks and earn by just doing the activities you normally do daily.